writing a playbook. Okay, so what is a playbook? So playbook is a YAML file. Okay, that is going to define what are the tasks to be executed on the managed node. So earlier we talked about how Ansible works, where we saw that okay, the controller is going to be there, the managed node is going to be there, which is going to use the playbooks to define what all the tasks are to be executed on the managed nodes, right? So where the playbook is going to run. So inside the playbooks, we are going to contain a series of play. A play is basically, like what we are trying to achieve. Like let's say, for example, a play I can have with the name of a general config, right? So inside a playbook, there will be a number of plays, and each play is going to map to different hosts, and tasks are going to be defined there. Okay, so you can start with creating a simple playbook. Okay, that is going to do a very basic task like creating an interface or enabling an interface or disabling an interface. Okay, these kind of simple tasks we can use, and as a beginner also you can learn from these things like how to enable interface, how to disable an interface, how to add a banner, how to remove a banner, right? These kind of things we can use, right? Okay, so later in the video I'll show you how to create a playbook or how you can write your own playbook as well. Okay, so I'll show you a sample playbook where I'll explain how the things are there step by step, right? Okay, then inside a playbook, if you see the architecture, you have the name of the play. Then you can define your host, that okay, where the task will be executed. So that you can define, and then we will start defining all the tasks. That okay, what all the tasks you want to perform and what are the modules you are willing to use there. Okay,